See, it's
okay, yeah, get rid of them stupid phones. That thing's gonna be beeping, screwing up my videos again.
Oh, hey, man.
Okay, so he brought his bike back after, what, about a month and a half? How long's it been?
2 weeks.
Yeah, my ass. So, you've been breaking it nice and smooth and gentle, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how many wheelies did you do yesterday?
About three wheelies. Bike have lots of compression, lots of power.
So this is how big a motor, 103?
Still a 103, run like a 107.
Keeps up with the 117, you said.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, right there side by side on the freeway.
And you're breaking the chain again. Trying to break the chain. So he's got the minor oil leak he never fixed. Okay, he's gonna bring it right back after he went out that night. Yeah, never saw him again.
Went on a few dinner dates.
The oil line up there is peeking his guts out, I think. So the back of the motor is fairly dry, the cylinders are dry, but the oil cooler and filter area is a mess. So we're just using some solvent stuff here to sponge off the heavy buildup.
All the access.
Get that cooler too, because that's dripping with crap in there. There you go.
All right, cool.
And he's also picked up a valve knock. That's why he came here, because it's knocking. You don't care about the oil leak, obviously. So he's got a lifter making noise up here somewhere. His old crappy lifter is still making noise, so evidently he wants me to fix it.
Remember, Tatro machine.
Yeah, we fix junk around here and make it haul out, right?
Oh yeah.
For some reason I didn't do a damn thing to the bike, but it's 10 times faster than it was before, but I have no idea why it's any better than it was before, but whatever. Crappy valve.
In the bathroom, you put some NOS in it.
Crappy valve job, new rings, and straighten the crank. That's all I did. Well, I fixed the rods too on the crank. They were tight. Yeah, well. Must be a fuel injected bike. So he wants to put a kicker on it. You realize the exhaust system is going to have to go.
For real?
Yep.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm going to put a kicker on it, y'all.
And if you put a kicker on, it's going to have to come out about 3 inches this way.
That's fine.
And if you take the rear pipe off and put a big dent in the top of the front pipe, it might work.
I don't want everyone trying to copy me and put a kicker on their bike.
Other than that, it's not going to fit. And you missed a spot. I think it starts about here and works its way down.
Think so?
Yeah, it's pretty covered with dirt and shit. So, looks like the cylinder leakage that we had when we first started is pretty well gone away, because there's no more, it's not a lake back here. It would be a lake if it was. So the comments were that we had the assembly oil was on the threads. When I put the heads down, that's what leaked out.
For real?
Yeah. I think we turned the crank over, the cylinders up, and the oil I had in the crank leaked out. You got all over the cylinders, and we tightened them down, they squeezed out. There's Keith.
How's it going?
All right, yourself?
All right.
He wants this bike to look like yours, but something's wrong.
Seen it on the video.
Oh, man, you watched the video?
I watch them all.
Oh, man, so you seen how Tatro verbally abused me?
Yeah.
Did I abuse you too?
I'm jealous of that kid with that panhead chopper.
Oh shit. Ryan?
I was his age.
You don't like Ryan?
No, I'm jealous of him. When I was
Oh,
his age,
man, jealousy.
I was just riding a lowly shovel, not a pan.
Well, my dark kids have turned out to be an orange pile of crap, so I had to get a white kid with a blue bike.
You know I'm his godson, right?
Yeah.
I don't know what happened. I was not awake that day. I don't know what happened.
See, this is the one where you took the engine all apart, right?
Yeah.
He took it apart, found out it was bad.
Yeah. I took it apart and didn't know how to put it back together.
Told me to just put it back together without finding the problem, and I listened to him.
Then it had some loose rods in there. And
yeah, the front rod was trying to come out.
Yeah.
So basically everything he told me to do, I just ignored him and just fixed it anyway.
Then, is this the one when you started it up, it was making a knocking noise? And
No, the red one's the one that had the bit of lifter that made a lot of noise. This one wasn't too bad when we started it up. But yeah, this is it makes noise now though. It's got lifter knock in it. I'm not sure if it was the burnouts that did it or the wheelies that did it.
Hey, you just know I ride hard, Tatro.
Yeah, or the racing out there on the street hauling ass on the freeway for a few hundred miles at a time.
Oh yeah, I had to keep up with the big boy. Show them that what we did at this shop for the last 3 days till 3 in the morning. It worked out.
So
everyone's laughing at the videos.
So what size do they think the motor is now?
They for sure think I got a kit. They think that it's for sure at least a 107, but I just told them it's a real running 103.
Sleeper.
Oh yeah. Tatro got it running really nice and strong.
It's just a pile of crap, bunch of junk parts thrown together, is all it is. All you gotta do is go see the videos and see what's inside of it. Ain't much. Same junk piston cylinder it started with. Still got all the gouges in them. Is it smoking any, leaking oil besides all over the bike?
Nah.
Are the exhaust pipes clean?
Yeah.
Or exhaust pipe in this case? Yeah, I don't see no oil coming out. See, those gouged up cylinders don't hurt it.
Keep in mind, viewers, we was working the bike half asleep. It's 3 a.m.
You were half asleep. I was working. You're the one that kept going home early. I don't know why.
You get that red pan head running? That 60, what, 5 or 6?
Yeah, it runs. It's in back, waiting to be picked up and test roaded, but that'll be in a couple more days.
Yeah.
You need me to test ride it?
No, that's okay.
Oh, okay. I'll make sure it's got what it's supposed to have.
We like the owners testing their own stuff.
You're right about that.
We don't need the rental guys to come by. No rental bikes around here. So the line fall off yet?
Nope.
Okay, so must be have at least a little bit of a clamp on it. So that pretty much leaks as soon as we put the start of the bike up. So I'm thinking there's a split in the line, or you got a really bad clamp.
Either one of the two.
Yeah, probably a split in the line, knowing you.
Where's that hang light at, Tatro, that we had when we was putting it in?
Oh, some big black guy came by. Looked like you stole it, right?
I don't steal.
Oh.
Wrong guy.
Oh,
Does it look alike?
There's a different guy. It looked just like you.
He stole it. Us.
If you go looking back, it's probably hanging around or it's laying in a pile of junk over here someplace.
All right.
I don't see it laying here.
Now.
Well, you need a light now?
Yeah, you know.
Sun's still out, kind of.
Nah, sun's not out.
Oh, reflecting off the clouds? At least one of them up there. It's a new moon I saw, because they got a little crescent over there, so that ain't helping us much.
It's in the back.
The ship fire's out, so we got no light from that. But we can breathe.
What color was that light, Tatro?
I don't know, you should go find one. Whatever looks like a light, grab it.
All right.
So when are you going to resume working on your motor again?
Which one?
Let's see. I guess
I have lots
the shovel
of
or the pan, the one that you're piecing together with.
I don't know. They have to narrow it down a little better than that. You talking about a motor or a whole bike?
The motor.
A motor.
Video out of it.
There's a bunch. I do videos about everything around here.
Yeah.
All right, so it looks like we got a lot of muck off of this. Now I'm gonna go blow it with the airline and then we'll clean it one more time. He evidently missed all this area up here.
That's why I need a light.
You need a light to see that's all full of oil up there? I can see it from here. It's got oil everywhere. Oh, look at that. You found. So I knew you stole it. Where'd you hide it?
It was in the back up under an engine.
It was in back there where your house is, over around the corner right there?
Yeah. I don't live around here. What are you talking about?
Oh, that was the other guy.
I live in La Jolla.
That was that was the other big black
Your
guy.
neighbors, huh? La Jolla Shores.
All right, we're gonna make a little bit of mess here. We'll be back.
Stay tuned.